Hello children, let us consider this equation 4x squared plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Let's try to solve this quadratic equation and find the roots by using completing the square method. Now, we observe that the x squared term, the coefficient of x squared is also a perfect square. This can be written as 2x the whole square. So, before trying other procedures, let us try to see if this is already a perfect square, since the first term is a perfect square. You can also treat the last term as root 3 the whole squared. So, the one which is remaining is this term. Now, for a polynomial or for a quadratic equation to be a perfect square, it should be of this form. A plus b into a plus b should be of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared form. We already have a squared here, which is 2x the whole square, and we also have a b term here, which is root 3. So, does this satisfy 2ab? In order to check it, let us split it into 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 into root 3 into x, of which 2x already stands for a. This 2 and x stands for the a term, and root 3, this stands for the b term. So, this is of course in this form 2ab, where a is equal to 2x and b is equal to root 3. So, this particular equation which has been given to us can be factorized as 2x plus root 3 the whole squared is equal to 0. Just we identified that it's a perfect square and we have arrived at a conclusion. We have arrived at the factorization of the quadratic equation. Now, we can easily find the roots. The roots of the equation are at the point where the factors are equal to 0. So, 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0, or taking the square roots of on both sides, you arrive at this 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to minus root 3, which implies that x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, and these are repeated roots because both the factors are the same. Minus root 3 by 2 is a repeated root. So, this is the solution for our quadratic equation. X is equal to minus root 3 by 2. I hope you understand. Thank you.